All right. Now, today we're doing the assignment you got yesterday based on the notes you did yesterday. All right. Power rule and quotient. Okay. So we're going to go over just a quick reminder on how to do this on the warm up. One is multiplying, one is dividing. Here we go. First things first, y'all remember PEMDAS, right? Parentheses goes first. P for parentheses. P, parentheses. So look, inside of here, nothing can change, but outside we got a 2. What do we do with this 2 to everything inside?
We just multiply it by everything inside.
Kind of. So if there's a number in front, you have to apply the exponent. Now this is a negative what? Oh, no, don't sleep. Write this down. Okay, negative 1. Negative 1. So you're going to square parentheses negative 1. So this. Now, the squared also applies to this a, which is to the 1 power, and to this b to the 7 power. What do I do with the 2 and the 1? Do I add or multiply? No, not add. If you have one base, power to a power, multiply 1 times 2, right? Okay. And then the b is 7 power. So what do I do with 7 and 2? Excuse me? So b to the what? What do I do with 7 and 2? Multiply. 7 times 2? 14. Now what's negative 1 squared? Negative 1 times negative 1. Put it away. Put it away. Positive 1. Do we need to write 1 in front? No, because it's implied. Okay. Negative 1 squared is 1. Yeah. A squared. We'll write it this time. Okay. Now, the right side, again, you got to square the 12, and then 2 times 3, and then 2 times 1. What's 12 squared?
14.
No.
140. 140, 164.
No, it's 24.
12 squared.
144.
144. 12 squared means 12 times 12, which is 144. So again, 12 squared. And then a to the 3rd power to the 2nd power, the 3 and the 2 multiply to make 6. 2 times 1 is 7. No, 2. All right. Now, this is also like what we did first beginning of the week here. What do I do with these numbers out front? I multiply. 1 times 144 is 144. Whoa. Now, what do I do if there's an a squared and an a to the 6? What do I do when there's 2 bases? What do I do with 2 and 6? Now is when you add them. 2 plus 6 is 8. And then 2 base b's, what do I do with the powers? Add them up. B to the 14 plus 2 is 16. That is the most reduced form. Do you know how all the multiple steps you had to do to get that, right? Hold on. Now, on this fraction over here, you're going to, once again, take the 2 to the 4th power, 4 times 1, and then 4 times 4. Now, what is 2 to the 4th power?
6, no, 8.
You're actually still cooking.
4.
Yo.
2 to the 4th power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Wake up.
Oh, 6.
Hey.
8 is
4,
2
16.
times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So, oh, yeah. Yeah, right. So 4 times 1 is c to the 4. 4 times 4, that's letter d to the 16. Now, we already said 2 to the 4 is 16. C to the 4th, d16. Now, on the bottom, the 2 is going to be squared. What's 2 squared? 2 times 2. 4, right? Okay, the 2 times this 2 is c to the 4. 2 times this 3 is
D16.
3 times 2,
Oh,
d
3
to the
times
power 6. We just said 2 squared is 2 times 2 is 4. C4, D6. Now, look. We distributed the powers, and the last thing we got to do is simplify. So 16 on top, 4 on the bottom. What's 16 divided by 4?
4.
4 on top. If the bottom matches the top, C4 and C4, they cancel out. It's a 0 power, which is gone.
1.
So that's gonna be.
And then
you
six-
don't have to put the one. You can just put the
Right.
one.
Just
Shut up,
we're gonna leave it alone. And then 16 on top, 6 on the bottom. Subtract. Top minus bottom. 16 minus 6 is
Isn't that gonna be
Round 10.
d to the 10. And that leaves us with nothing on the bottom, so we're actually done with 4 d to the power of 10. Is that interesting to you?
Why is he laughing? Why is he laughing? I said 4d6. And then the.
You just keep saying the variable like it's interesting to you.
Oh,
All right, so here's your answer right here. You can read it. All right, we're going to work on that assignment from yesterday. Now, if you look at, and I'm gonna give you a new one.
what?
Yep,
You know what?
what you get. Now, the one from yesterday, you gotta do 1 through 15. 1 through today, 1 through 15. Do it. If you're not gonna be on these phones, then you gotta put it away. You gotta.
Sir, this is evil. It's like child abuse.
Oh, okay.
What do you mean?
You gotta do one of them multiplied and one divided. It's not even the whole thing. I made it half the phone.
Sir, I turned in my warning. I just have it missing.
So can I go to the bathroom?